This is where we at, you two. I got it pressure wash. I finally got it in the shop. This is the next day. I had a little fight getting this thing here in the shop, man. Cause what happened? I don't remember if I had said this on the previous video yesterday. That I had somebody had when I got this, I realized at the junkyard somebody took the oil pan. So I had the pickup tube. I had to take the pickup tube off last night. I was stuck right here at the doorway trying to get it up, get it in here, because I can't put the hoist in here because I got the car is in the way. So anyway, with that being said, I had finally got it in here, but I wish I would have went ahead and did one more round with at the car wash with the pressure wash, because it's still real filthy right there. But for the most part, it's cleaned up. It's a lot of stuff that came off of it, a lot of dirt and grime and litter and stuff that was on here. But I still got some cleaning up to do. The reason why I didn't do another round on it and get like I really wanted to get, because somebody had took this loose, the intake loose, and I didn't want to get too much water in it. It already has water in it, but I don't think it's to the point where it's damaged anything. So I'm just hoping and praying that this gonna be a success. I don't think I can really lose off this situation, but we'll see. We'll see. I got it now, so I got to figure out what I'm gonna do. I got this one here, the first one. This one, like I was saying, is a 4.8, so that's why I ended up buying this one. So I don't know what this is right now. I wish I would have went ahead and took one of the heads off before I actually bought it, but it would have been too much for me to do yesterday when I went and pick it up. So I just said, you know what, I just get it. The price is cheap. If it's a 4.8, I'm not going to lose off of it, because it's really not that much of a big deal in the horsepower. Maybe another 15 horsepower or whatever. It's not really that much of a big difference. You put a cam in this, put a cam in that, you pretty much got a 5.3, pretty much. Same thing. Or change the rings, the pistons, and all that shit, I'm one of them type of guy, ain't trying to go 1,000 mile, have 1,000 mile, 1,000 horsepower motor anyway. So, you know what I'm saying? So, as long as the thing is running good, that's what I really more care about. So, once I'm done doing what I'm doing with it, either one I'm gonna go with, what I'm gonna put in my project. All of it this year is a budget bill for me anyway. So whatever I end up with that I'm gonna put in there, whatever I don't put in there, and then I'm just gonna clean it up, finish button it up, and dress it up or whatever, and then I'm just gonna sell it, or I might hold on to it. I pretty much probably would just sell it, and then we'll see. Because if I ended up with 2.48, I'll probably run it for a while, see how it perform and all that. And then if it's not what I want, then I'll do some upgrades. Or I'll just pull it out, unhook the tranny, pull it out, and switch it to something else. Because this is my car. This ain't nobody else's project that I'm doing. So, I'm not tripping on all that. You know what I mean? So that's what we at, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I'm your boy Dollar gonna cut y'all off, and I'll cut y'all back on. I'm about to take one of these heads off so I can see what this motor is. All right, I'll cut y'all back on. Yeah, YouTube. Man, I took that intake off, lifted up. It was already unbolted, so I just had to just pick it up and disconnect the knock sensor harness. Man, this thing is filthy on it here. A whole lot of litter, man. And I know some of it probably got there from the motor just sitting in that yard. But man, it looked terrible. It's full with water, as you can see. Let me shake it. You see the water? The water right there? Yeah, it's full of water. See? Water and oil. So with it having that oil in there and having that water in there, I'm thinking that it should be all right, but we'll see. I'm gonna clean it up. I'll cut y'all back on. Yeah, you two. This is how far I got. I got the top of the intake here cleaned out. Got it cleaned up pretty good. It was horrible, but there's still a lot of dirt sitting on there. I didn't want to get too thorough with it, you know, because I still got to clean it real good. So I kind of wish I would have went over it one more time with that pressure wash. God. I'll cut y'all back on.